Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from BinaryOptions.net.au, and in this video I am reviewing BinaryOptionRobot.com. Now, this is an actual new binary option robot that has recently been available to the public. So it's been up and running for over 6 months now, but they've only recently opened it up for public use. And I'm actually quite excited to review this. I think it's actually, from first impression, it's actually looks like a really top-notch robot service. If you're into joining a binary option signal service that is a set and forget service, meaning where you just actually set up all your settings, hit a button, and it starts trading on your behalf direct to your broker, then this is going to be for you. Now, there's also another brand on the market that's binary-option-robot.com. If you're actually after that particular software, click here right now, and I'll take you to that review. There's actually two brands on the market with very similar names, but they're actually slightly different products. So yeah, so I'm actually going to be reviewing binary-option-robot.com. Yeah, we'll get to it. So firstly, I'll go through some pros and cons. So firstly, the pros. So it's an auto trading service that's set and forget. So if you're after a robot, then this is going to be for you. And it's compatible with multiple brokers, up to 5 different brokers. And this also has a unique feature where you can actually have it trade the same signals on different brokers. So you could be getting the same signal, but actually trade it on, say, L binary or bank to binary or another broker in the so you can actually have simultaneous broker accounts working for you. They accept US traders, which is a good bonus. You just have to basically choose the broker in the list that accepts US traders. They have a daily stop loss feature. So if there's a bit of, I guess this is a little feature just for a bit of protection. If there is a bit of volatility in the market and some of the signals, you know, might have a little bit losing streak, which does happen, then you can actually set a stop loss. So if you have, say, maybe a $10,000 account and set your stop loss at maybe, I don't know, $500 or $1,000, depending on how much risk exposure you want, then you know that it's not going to, basically that particular day is not going to ruin your account if there's like a little losing streak, which every service has. There's also a risk level slider where you can actually choose, I guess, the percentage of success of the signal. So a lower success rate would be a higher risk level, and a higher success rate would be a lower risk level. You're probably going to get more signals when you have it at higher risk. Everything will come through. And you can actually also set how many signals you want per day. So maybe if you just want to test the product initially for the first week, maybe set it on maybe 1 to 5 signals. And once you're happy with the in the money rate, then maybe let it just go to full signals. So, and the only con that I have with Binary Option Robot, which is not really a con, is that when you actually want to withdraw your profits, you just have to log in direct to your broker, which is quite common with a lot of signal services anyway. So we'll move on to a bit more about the actual company behind BinaryOptionRobot.com. So it's founded in 2014. The company is called High Yield Solutions Incorporated, and their support email is just support@binaryoption.com. You can see a bit by the website here that it's got quite a simple registration setup. Basically, you just put in your first name, last name, email, and open up your account. It's got a bit of information there before joining, but I'm actually going to log in. I've actually already created an account and gone through the whole process. So I'll just log in. So once you log in, you actually got a few different brokers here that you can join. So you actually click off this button, you actually go directly to the broker, you join the broker, deposit your money with the broker, and then you come back to your broker settings. And once the support team have confirmed that you actually join the broker via their system, then you'll actually be eligible to start trading their signals. You can't bring an existing account. So if I've already got an account with Bank to Binary, I just can't attach this to BinaryOptionRobot. I can use Bank to Binary, but I actually have to create a new account with Bank to Binary. That's was referred to by BinaryOptionRobot.com. That's just the way it works. Like, the actual product is actually free to use. The only cost involved is actually joining a broker via BinaryOptionRobot. They don't offer any trial or demo services. It only works with real money trading. And the signal types are automatic, and the signal execution is automatic as well. So you basically just hit a button and you presto, you're good to go, and it will start trading in the background direct with your broker of choice. So we'll go a bit through the software now. So the software is browser based. It will trade all the various expiry times depending on what their algorithm defines. So it'll be anything from 15 minutes up to 60 minutes. Your trade size can be from $25 to $200. The average in the money over the last 6 months has been a break-even ratio of 55%, which is profitable. There have been months up to 80% if you go through their recent history. And it only supports high-low binary options. You won't find any boundary or touch or no touch in this. And yeah, as I mentioned before, to cash out, you have to actually log into your broker. So we'll just go in. So once you've actually linked your broker and it's been approved by BinaryOptionRobot support team, you'll come to this screen when you log in, and it'll have just a little summary. So you can see this is activated. The software it's using spot option. All the brokers right now are actually on the spot option software that they have. It's my current balance, so I deposited $250. And at the moment, I've got the software activated, and at the moment it hasn't actually. I've actually just joined and deposited and started using this service. So this is like an initial impression video or review, but later on down the track I'll actually show some trading results. So when you click more settings, this is where you can change your settings. So in the trade options box, you can actually turn off. So right now, that's actually turned off my auto trading. So just click that back on. Now, there's another feature called reverse trading, which is actually will trade the reverse of what, or the opposite of what their signals are. So if they say, let's do an up call on the AUD US dollar, this will actually do a down call. So if you think that for some reason on it, their signals aren't going so good or actually really terrible, you can actually trade the reverse of it. So you've got your daily stop loss feature there. So from no stop loss all the way up to 500, I've got it just at 10, just to see it actually will stop out. Trading amount will be broker dependent. So the minimum deposit for our binary, or minimum trade amount, is $25, max is 200. The max daily trades, you can actually stop it at, say, only 1 trade a day, or 10 a day, or unlimited. Risk level. So I would suggest that these are high percentage trades that will probably always be in the money, but I'd say you probably only get 1 or 2 of these a day, whereas if you're on high risk, you're going to get a lot more signals come in. And then you can actually configure which assets. So if there's an asset that you just don't want to touch, or an asset you just want to focus on, for example, if I just want to focus on the Euro USD, that's how I do it there. And of course, if I want every asset to be eligible in the signal base, then that's what I do there. So when you actually click off to sign up with Bank to Binary, it doesn't have to be the same login details as you joined with BinaryOptionRobot. It can be a separate email, separate account, all behind the scenes, everything gets linked. Just make sure you join via these green buttons here for it to work. You can see here the balance is $253.50. So that's my account there, all linked up there. Okay, so a bit about the brokers that they have on offer. So all these brokers are on spot option. I think all have minimum deposits between $200 and $250. So you can't go wrong there. The only one that doesn't accept US trades is Bank to Binary. So if you're from the US, either select L Binary, Trade Rush, Redwood, or Go Options, and you'll be right there. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. And like I said, I'll be doing a follow-up review with actual results. There's also the history here. So as you can see, no trades have been done yet. You can see your returns here. So I'll do a follow-up once I've got a few trades that have been actually done via the system. And you can actually see, if I close L Binary, the last results of L Binary. So today's the 21st in Australia, and you see here 3 trades in, winning with L Binary yesterday on the 20th, and are all winners. So that's pretty good. And you can see the asset here. So you can, the Euro USD, so that's 3 different assets as well, and all have won. And it looks like they're all 30-minute expiries that it's actually chosen there. Okay, so thanks for watching my review on BinaryOption.com. I hope you enjoyed the review, and hopefully it's insightful and helps you get a bit more background information, whether you think this is for you. If you're into an automated set and forget signal service with a very good in the money ratio, then I can highly recommend BinaryOptionRobot.com. If you've actually joined and used this service, please comment below this video and let me know. Or if you just have any general questions more about the robot, just place your comments below and I'll reply to them as soon as I can. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This is a way of bookmarking my channel, so every time I upload a new video, it's going to be straight in your YouTube feed, and you're going to be able to keep on top of everything that we do here at binaryoptions.net.au. I also have more signal reviews. If you're interested in other signal services, click to that particular link on this video and you'll get taken to that playlist. I have broker reviews, I have a binary option course, and there's also daily videos on Forex analysis. So, and if you're actually interested in joining BinaryOptionRobot.com, please click the link in this video that takes you straight there. And you can also click to the full website review on BinaryOptionRobot.com. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.